Well, news just in Maharashtra, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar is holding a review meeting on the COVID situation with public representatives of districts including MPs, MLAs and the mayor. This is happening in Pune right now as Ajit Pawar is holding a review meeting of the COVID situation in the state. Disha joins us for more on this. Now, Disha, incidentally, this meeting is happening in Pune, another area of concern. We've also heard that out of the 10 districts where the largest number of COVID cases come from, 8 of them are in Maharashtra alone. For our viewers, just give us a broad overview of the numbers that are coming in from the state, which really tell you a picture of how the situation is now becoming alarming.
Well, certainly, Aarti, in the last 1 week or so, if we talk particularly about Maharashtra, we have recorded over and above 75,000 cases, and this number is pretty much huge because if you compare it to the last month or so, the state had recorded hardly about 20,000 cases in that 1 week's time. But today we are looking at a figure of over 75,000, and this is an area of concern, Aarti, and that is why here we are looking at the Deputy Chief Minister holding a review meeting today as we speak with the public representatives of all the districts possible, because only by their, of course, information they'll be able to take their next move. Because remember, it was only yesterday when Uddhav Thackeray had categorically said that few districts which are reporting a high positivity rate from 5% to 16-17% for that matter, those districts need to be closely watched and monitored. And if you talk about in Maharashtra, Aarti, out of 36 districts, 10 such districts are really a cause of worry because their positivity rate is only increasing day by day. If you talk about Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur already is going to see a week's lockdown starting from March 16th for that matter. If you talk about Aurangabad, it is already witnessing a night curfew. Pune also is looking at a night curfew. Pune's positivity rate is also going every day above 16 to 17%. So all of these are the matters of concern because this particular graph we are looking at only in the last 1 month.
Well, Disha, stay with us because now amidst the surge, Nagpur, as you were mentioning, is going to undergo lockdown for a week starting from the 15th of March to the 21st. And now this is going to be the first city to be in a proper lockdown mode, not just, limited restrictions, but this is like a proper lockdown like how we've seen during the nationwide lockdown in the middle of last year. What exactly does this lockdown entail in Nagpur? And more importantly, the Maharashtra government has been warning, in fact, that we are not going to impose a lockdown, but you must follow COVID rules, you must follow COVID protocol. But it appears that finally they've had to bite the bullet and take this action after no change on the ground.
Well, certainly, just answering the first part of your question, Aarti, as far as Nagpur is concerned, definitely it is going to be a week's lockdown because of the rise in the cases. So in the last 3 to 4 days, they are recording over and above 1,500 cases, which is huge compared to only about 500 to 600, which they were reporting last week. So owing to that, of course, the district administration took a call to impose a lockdown where only essential services will be allowed to remain open. Apart from that, nothing else on the ground. As far as the second part of the question, definitely Uddhav Thackeray did mention yesterday that how several districts need strict measures to be implemented, and that solely depends on the officers of the district administration. If they feel that in their city or in their district the cases are going up and people are not really following the COVID norms, then they might have to take the decision of imposing a fresh lockdown again. So all of these are the details and decisions that will be taken by today or tomorrow, Aarti. That is what clearly the Chief Minister really spoke about. But if you talk about the overall situation, action has been definitely taken in 6 to 7 districts of the worst affected districts in the state of Maharashtra.
Disha, thanks so much for that update. And as Disha was telling us about the action that is being taken, in fact, we have some more breaking news coming in that regard. Well, amidst the rise in COVID cases, the Maharashtra government has now additionally imposed night curfew in Panvel. Night curfew will be imposed starting today, that's the 12th of March to the 22nd of March between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. Only essential services will be allowed to remain open during this night curfew.